Here is today's quote of the day. Today's quote: a person who doubts himself is like a man who would enlist in the ranks of his enemies and bear arms against himself. He makes his failure certain by himself being the first person to be convinced of it. Wow, that's a good one, man. That's a good one. The only person you could really truly count on is yourself. I mean, there's enough haters already. You don't need to be hating on yourself too. If you hear that negative voice in your head saying, oh, this is too hard, you can't do it, let's stop, then you just have to tell that voice, thanks for sharing. Because you don't want to cuss out yourself in your head. You don't want to tell it to go fuck off or nothing like that. So you just tell it, thanks for sharing. And cancel that out and say a positive affirmation like, yes, I can. I'm going to do this. I can do this. A person who doubts himself is just waiting for any bump in the road, any hiccup, to call it quits. Then you can say, I knew I couldn't do it. I knew it. He's just there waiting for one thing. Yeah, this is the video for today. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments what you think this quote means. Tell me if you think I got it all wrong. And don't forget to like and subscribe.